Hello guys, it's your one and only candlestick preacher guiding you through the ups and downs of finance, one candle at a time. In 2020, one man made a bold move that changed the financial world forever. In the world of Bitcoin, there are whales, there are believers, and then there's Micheal Saylor.
So I started studying up on crypto. I need a liquid fungible asset which will store my economic energy for an indefinite period of time.
Micheal Saylor is a visionary behind Microstrategy who turned the software company into the largest corporate Bitcoin holder. To some, he's a visionary, to others, a fanatic. One thing is certain, Micheal Saylor isn't just buying Bitcoin, he's waging an ideological war against fiat money. Born in 1965, Micheal Saylor graduated from MIT with degrees in aeronautics and science. In 1989, he co-founded MicroStrategy, a business intelligence firm. The company thrived in the 90s, went public, and it made Saylor a billionaire until the dot-com bubble burst, where he lost $6 billion in a single day, which is one of the biggest single-day losses in corporate history. But he didn't stay down after that. For decades, Saylor built MicroStrategy back quietly, steadily. Not up until 2020 when the pandemic hit, Saylor faced a major problem. MicroStrategy was sitting on hundreds of millions of dollars in cash reserves. He called it melting ice cubes. With the Federal Reserve printing trillions, he saw that fiat money was a failing system. So he made a decision no one expected. He put $250 million of MicroStrategy's cash reserves into Bitcoin. Saylor didn't stop at a single buy. He kept going, raising capital, issuing bonds, even taking out loans to buy more BTC. Shocking. Today, MicroStrategy holds over 592,345 Bitcoin, which is worth over $62 billion at current pricing. Mind-blowing, right? The company has become a de facto Bitcoin holding vehicle, but it wasn't just a financial move, it was ideological. Saylor began preaching not just that Bitcoin is better, but Bitcoin is freedom, truth, and digital energy. And fiat, he referred to it as theft and tyranny. To back up his strong support for Bitcoin, he came up with a manifesto, replace fiat with Bitcoin. Shocking. Between 2020 and 2024, Saylor engineered what is now the largest corporate Bitcoin acquisition in history. He stepped down as CEO in 2022 to become executive chairman, dedicating himself fully to Bitcoin strategy. He even led MicroStrategy into developing Bitcoin-related software, making the company a Bitcoin tech firm, not just a business intelligence platform. Saylor says he's in this for 100 years. He doesn't trade, he doesn't hedge, he just buys more Bitcoin. His goal is to hold as much Bitcoin as possible for as long as possible. Currently, MicroStrategy outpaces most competitors. The US government holds about 198,000 BTC, Binance platform has 248,000, and BlackRock Bitcoin ETF has over 530,000 Bitcoin. But unlike these entities, MicroStrategy is actively accumulating more. And if Bitcoin hits $1 million as many predict, MicroStrategy might become the most valuable company on earth, and Saylor will be one of the richest men alive. Not because he played the stock market, but because he believed and bet everything on a single idea, which is that Bitcoin is inevitable. Micheal Saylor isn't selling Bitcoin, he's selling a revolution. And if he's right, the BTC market may become one of the most powerful figures in the post-fiat world. So, do you think Saylor is a genius or he's just lucky? Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, stay volatile.